Similarly, in this question we see a term blue ocean event. Here I have marked both purple and orange. I have marked it as orange because I want you to remember blue ocean event. It is a very important event, and we recurrently, if there is a question over a given topic which I will tell later, you can mention these terms that this thing has been happening. So blue ocean event, you can bring these terms in your mains answer. So that is why I want you to remember, and this word or this term has been in news since past 2-3 years. I have also marked purple because there is a little bit of guesswork, scope for guesswork here. The term blue ocean event, like I said, there are many things that a name can say. We know that it's blue ocean, so it is referring to a water body, and it is saying event. When we understand of event, events are some things which happen occasionally. When it happens, it does not happen over a very long duration, or it doesn't take too much time to happen. So in this perspective, let us look at the options. Sustainable use of ocean resources. So ocean is there, sustainable use is there. Okay, possible. Let's see later. Arctic Ocean imagined to be ice free by 2030. Okay, here also they are referring to the ocean. Let's see other. Northern lights seen from the coast of Atlantic Ocean. See, northern lights seen from the coast of Atlantic Ocean, you can see northern lights every year. There's nothing special about it because it's you can see it over any period of time. So you could have eliminated this option. Like I said, event, it happens once in a lifetime, or it happens very, very occasionally. And this event sort of thing, it is something related to natural phenomena mostly. Mapping of nearly 1/5 of world's ocean floor by 2030. Okay, event, like I said, it is something geological or geomorphological, such sort of thing. So mapping is what will be done by the people. So this doesn't fit in there. So among these two options, if you have to choose, sustainable use of ocean resources. This is not an event. Sustainable use is a process, and we need to carry on that process for years together to achieve a sustainable living. Event is some sort of thing which has happened in that moment and which is very, very occasional. So Arctic Ocean could melt or get ice free by 2030. This is the answer. So in this way you could have arrived at the answer. Many of the guessworks that I might tell might look very alien to you at the beginning, but as we proceed, I guarantee you that you'll get used to these things. And since this is a geography paper, the statements, the traps in the statements are very limited, because this is a more conceptual sort of subject. If there is polity, if there is modern history, there could have been facts that were being made wrong, or in polity, president or prime minister terms could have been replaced. There would have been more traps. But here, since like I said, the subject is more conceptual, there is less scope to make guesswork in many of the questions. Next one, Pampas, Campos, Cerrado, Savanna, Prairies, Uzdas. This is another important topic that I want you to remember, grasslands. So which grassland is in which region? This is part of the basic which you need to know. So Pustas is in Hungary, Prairies North America, Pampas South America, Campos South America. But this is a new term, Cerrado Savanna. I want you to add this term to your notes or to highlight it within your question paper and write about it, because Cerrado Savanna is a tropical savanna and it is very rich in biodiversity. Since it is very rich in biodiversity, the chances that UPSC could ask in one of the exams becomes high. So Cerrado Savanna has nearly 5% of global biodiversity. So this becomes important. And Cerrado Savanna is in South America region. Even this. Usually when we speak of savanna, we might think of Africa. But Cerrado Savanna is in South America. Rather than that, they usually call it as Cerrado, that's all. Cerrado grasslands or Cerrado. So if they had given only Cerrado, we might have thought that South America could be possible. But we might get confused, since savanna is given, we might just ignore the first word and go only with savanna thinking that it is in Africa. Then we might get this question wrong. So this is something I want you to remember and add it to your notes.